Hey guys, it's Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Possible. Now, the good thing about this lender is to be pre approved or approved. There is no FICO check required whatsoever. Never pay interest or late fees again. So, let's go ahead and scroll down and get into these credit cards. So, they have the 400 Possible credit card. FICO check is no. Interest rate 0%. Late fees 0. Deposits 0. Monthly memberships are always $8. Then they have the 800 Possible credit card. FICO check no. Interest rate 0%. Late fees are 0. Deposits are 0. Monthly membership fees are always $16. Then they have the average credit card where they do require a FICO check, interest rate, late fees, sometimes deposits, and monthly memberships. So, if you are looking for a really great credit card to help you rebuild your personal credit, this can be the card for you. They also offer zero liability fraud protection, and you could get a limit increase after 6 months of making your payments on time. And they do report to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.